Today we have a video from Burner Body Cam, and the title of the video is Family Called 911 to Report a Death. Then this happened. The smallest dogs be the toughest, huh? All the time.
She got to get this one.
Man, can you put the dog up?
Cookie, Ginger. Cookie. Cookie. Ginger. Cookie. Cookie, come on.
Man,
They're going to go. Ginger, come here. Cookie, please. Come on.
Clearly, she ain't got no control over the dogs. Pick up the dogs and let's go. Pick up the dogs. Grab the dogs. Cookie, Ginger, Cookie, Ginger. Come on. That's not gonna work.
Okay, there's the Union City Police Department already in there. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
but we're the detectives.
Okay, you want somebody to come outside and talk to y'all then? The dogs, they roam in the house. You want somebody to come inside and talk to y'all?
No, we have to come inside.
Recording. Thank you, Ty.
We have to go inside.
Okay. Why do you have to come inside?
Because we're the investigators, ma'am.
I know, but the dogs is roaming the house and y'all telling me to put the dogs away. Where do y'all want me to put them? Y'all scared of them, right?
Can you put them in a room or something?
Mom, the guy was just talking to the dog mad crazy, telling him, back up, go inside. And now they want to come inside.
who in here right now? Oh, Brown. Brown.
Brown and... There's more?
I mean, she not thinking we not finna go view somebody and the dog running around?
Not only that, the dog is like charging at our ankles.
Yeah. Yeah, I know you terrified.
Yeah, that's why I ain't keep walking, because the white one not banging down.
Right. No, if it was like the little gold one, okay, cool, but growling and charging at my ankles, I'm not going for that.
My boy Waves is spinning now.
No, that's fine.
Be a black male with a lime green vest, white shirt,
The
like
white dog charging at us, and she like terrified.
She got a problem with Todd.
Because Todd was telling the dog, get back in the house, go back in the
Yeah, I'm
house.
telling you. Go back in
I'm not gonna lie, we've been going through this all day. I mean, since we've been here, she is hostile. But I told you guys gotta come in, so it's not her home.
It's not her home.
It's the mama. It's her grandmother.
What is the dogs they put up? It's really just a white dog.
Yeah, it's a white dog.
You see 611 radio.
Yeah.
Thank
You
you.
see 611 radio. We show signal 395095 College Street.
I do apologize about
Be radio clear.
Wait, hold on. As I'm watching them going in, I'm looking at their logo in the middle of the screen, and now I'm getting it. Burner Body Cam, but y'all logo BBC. I like to play on words, man. I like to play on words. Burner Body Cam, but the logo that's in the middle of the screen is BBC. Oh my goodness. This is crazy right here. This is crazy.
they'll be in and out quick.
Thank you.
I'm gonna stay right here. Let her do the thing. Go ahead. We're good.
If you're okay with it,
We're good.
that's fine.
You want us to go in?
Who's the homeowner? Okay. I'm Detective Benson, UNC Police Department, so I just be doing an investigation. This your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Does she have any illness?
Oh boy, come on with this. Yeah, she's been sick.
She fell last year,
She has arthritis and a hip injury. That's her illness.
and she been in the hospital.
Mom, that's her illness. That's her illness. Mom, we don't have to explain nothing else.
She got a fungi, she got a fungus.
Mom, she got her illness.
Infection that she's been in the hospital and graded
I asked
and
if you wanted to
everything.
talk outside. You say no, so don't leave now.
She just came home last week. She been in the hospital for 2 months last week. She just came home last week.
Make it quick and simple so they can go, Mom. I'm
Is she
trying
on
to please my
hospice?
grandmother.
We have other times we can explain later.
She asked one
Details can
question.
come
Answer the
later.
one question.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
details.
her healthcare proxy, so if y'all want to ask anything, y'all can ask me. I'm the guardian of you. So any questions y'all want to ask, y'all can ask me and I'll answer it.
She's on hospice?
Palliative care.
We just joined them last Friday. Because I asked somebody to come in and watch my mother, and so I called her primary care doctor, and he
She
got
didn't
them.
ask all that, Mom. She said she on hospice. That's it. Let's make it real short. Exactly. I'm feeling the same way.
Okay. When was the last time y'all seen her awake?
12 o'clock last night at midnight. My brother was the last person to see her when he came home from work.
You see 102.
Any other questions?
And that's all her medication right there?
Not all of it, just the green and white bottles.
Okay. You got the cameras up?
300 to radio show Union City 102 and service as backup unit until further.
Since when did this become an investigation? The fuck? The fuck? Mom, come on. They gotta get up out of here.
I'm doing
They gotta
great.
get up
I'm gonna
out of
do that for
here.
doing that to my mother.
They gotta get up out of here, Mom.
It's just a protocol. Anytime we have a death,
Two o'clock
even if it's
last night.
natural, that's just a protocol.
Thank you.
It's a stressful situation.
Thank you, babe.
It's no more than it, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Y'all can answer the same questions.
And that's what hell.
I am so confused. Why all the hostility? I don't. You called the cops there because the lady passed, which would be your grandmother. They just got to do a report and see what happened. Like, I don't understand all the hostility. They need to talk to mom by herself. Cause the guy that's filming, he started on some BS. He's sitting there like when they asked the first question, oh, here we go. Yeah, and then she the daughter or whatever, this one is super hostile for no reason. They just asking basic questions. Did she have any illnesses? What's going on? Is this her medication? Who was the last to see her alive? Like, simple questions just so they could get a basic report done and rule out that there was no, foul play being done. This is common sense right here. But she is so, damn, what? You called us here and you acting like that?
We can't even call our family. We sitting here talking to everybody saying the same fucking things. My sister didn't even know her grandmother dead.
So you say you got power. You have your ID on you?
I don't have nothing on me. I rushed over here.
What's your name and date of birth?
I'm her healthcare proxy.
You said A.
And I. Come on, man. They wasting all of our time right now. I haven't even called Uncle Jamal. I haven't spoken to nobody. Answer simple questions. You don't even have paragraphs of nothing.
Why is she talking about mom?
What time did you guys notice her?
I came downstairs like 8 something.
And typically I would stop here, so that's probably why my mother came down so late.
Awkward.
Excuse me, T, I'll just step to the side because we have to take pictures.
I ain't never witnessed nothing like this a day in my life. Never in fucking life. I've never witnessed no shit like this.
What's going on?
I have no idea. They talk about they doing an investigation. Since when we doing an investigation because somebody died? Uncle Rashim died in our house. We didn't have no investigation.
My brother died in this house. Nobody never did.
I ain't never witnessed nothing like
This
this.
is the protocol that we do when someone
Yeah, right.
passes away.
We ain't never had this protocol.
This is what we do.
Aunt Yvonne, Aunt Evelyn died in her house and they didn't do none of this. Ain't nobody ever did nothing like this, Mom. They trying to put you on an investigation right now. And they need to hurry up and do what they gotta do. This is some ridiculous ass shit.
Okay.
No, that's not true.
That's not true. We was in this house when her brother died, and GBI was not in this house.
It's okay.
We're not
Or
GBI.
whoever you are, whoever you are.
Whatever, it's okay.
Okay, whoever you are. We was in
I
this
ain't never
house.
witnessed nothing like
And
this.
nobody in here came in here about no investigation. Nobody took
My
no
Aunt
pictures.
Evelyn just died in her own house. Her kids found her and I ain't seen nothing.
Hey, go tell us what it is. We tell you what
It
happened.
doesn't matter. It just says, let's get them up out of here.
Wow.
Let's get them up out of here. Let's go.
Now, we're not putting you under investigation, okay?
I don't know what the fuck they doing, Mom.
Make that clear, okay? But this is protocol, so we have to come here,
I ain't never seen no
observe
protocol.
medicine, take pictures. We also have to talk to the medical examiner, everything. That's just the protocol that we do when we respond to scenes like this, okay?
Well, okay.
So-
if y'all need to know what's wrong, y'all can look at all her $1,000.
They don't need to
pay
know nothing,
records
Mom.
that they got in Emory and Grady. That's what it'll tell you.
Mom, I want them.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to ask what was her last illness.
Talk to her.
That's why I was asking what was her last illness.
She had the fungi in her leg. She had the fungi.
You told me, but you was
She
also.
had the fungi that they said that they probably will never go away, and they can't get the antibiotics because the insurance won't pay for it.
She interfering. I ain't gonna lie. The daughter or whatever, we gonna have to get her together. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta get her together. We gotta. No. And of course, you know how I go. I didn't even bring this up earlier, but you know how I go. Ma'am, do you have your ID on you? What they gonna say? No ID. No ID. This is just ridiculous, man. We gotta get her together though. No, she interfering. She doing something. We gotta figure out something.
And it's very severe.
I haven't even spoken to my sister. She doesn't even know my grandmother's
The
dead.
fungus that they can't pay, that the insurance couldn't pay for, that they said that's rare, that probably killed her.
Can I get
That
Mom,
Brady put an
please,
infected
your
hip in
mother.
her, and that probably killed her from the beginning. So that's what it is.
Okay.
So that's the
Okay.
problem.
It don't matter what killed her. They said what the illness was. That's the
Yeah, the
illness.
last thing, the fungus in her leg that they couldn't give her medicine
Ma'am,
for.
Okay, thank
They
you.
can't give her no antibiotics.
That was my phone.
Oh, why you touching me, honey? Why you touching me? But why you touching me? Mom, why is she touching me? Why did she just touch me?
Just go back.
Why did she just touch me, Mommy?
Just go back over there.
Let me get my daughter.
But why did she touch me?
Just go back over
She
there.
wanted,
I can't be next to my
she
grandmother.
wanted to grieve her mother. She said,
They gotta get the fuck
Y'all
out, Mom. Hurry up
we
and get them the
understand that
fuck
y'all gotta do
out.
what y'all gotta do. But at the same time, if this was your grandmother or your mother, you would be responding the same way too. You would be responding the same way too. So, y'all can't give us a goddamn minute?
Can you step
Y'all can't give us a minute?
To 100, 200. Send her back in the house, please.
And she touched me. I didn't touch her. I didn't do nothing.
Hey.
She didn't say what she did.
You're not finna arrest me.
please don't do that. Please don't do that.
Cause you recording.
Honey, call the police. Call the police.
If y'all wanna arrest someone, y'all gotta arrest me. That's simple.
Hello? Hello?
If someone gotta go,
My brother is alive.
Why you want my brother? She wanna take me so bad.
Get your ass together, boy. Yeah. The woman was detained on the scene but later released, not formally charged. Family is calling for officer suspension. Oh, of course. Yeah. Yeah, no. They're not getting suspended for that. That's interference. She. Good stuff. Good stuff. This is my first time watching you guys. Good work. Good work. Yeah, I like it. I like it. That lady was off the hook from the get-go, man. From the get-go. We gotta figure something out. Gotta get her together. And then you come in, they just said they gotta take photos. Can you guys step away? That means step away, right? Step away, not walk to the bed and start touching and tampering with stuff. Hello? Yeah, get her together. I loved it. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.